Okay, so here's the issue. As you can see, you get to the gauges just fine. I've got, what is this, 6 gauges, 4 gauge layout here. Okay, if I change one of these gauges to be where's the engine temperature? That's what I'm looking for. Engine temperature, I get that error. As you can see, I try to go back and it just flickers. Fine, plug the access port. Now the car is off, but it is getting power. So regardless if the car is on or not, this happens. So you can see when I powered it on, it attempted to go into gauges and then it just comes back to this. Now I can get out, can navigate through the access port, can go to codes. You can read codes just fine. These codes have nothing to do with the access port. I tripped these a couple days ago, but I was having this issue days before. Go back to gauges. It attempts to load gauges and gives me this.